this video, I'll show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to system.io step by step. So by the end of this tutorial, your custom domain will be fully linked and ready to use with your funnels, landing pages, or website inside system.io. So listen carefully as I explain each step. So first, go to the system.io and log into your credentials. So this is the dashboard of system.io when you log in, and this is the landing page of system.io. So you'll need to um log in here first in order to access the dashboard. So after that, once you're done, so from your dashboard, click your profile icon here and then click settings. And in here, look for the domain. So look for the domain account, check the account, airplane. Okay, going to custom domain. So this is the custom domain. So look for that. So now, once you click on that, you will be able to see a button here, which is the add domain. So click the add domain and in here type your domain. For example, calcifer dot uh calcifer at gmail no calcifer at calc.com. So for example, this is your domain and then click the save. Okay, so we'll need to include the www.calcifer. Okay, so save it again. Okay, so since this is an example, system.io detects that the calcifer at calci.com is not existing domain or doesn't have a domain yet in Namecheap. So make sure it's legit or it's existing in order to detect or read by the system.io. So assumingly, we use a legit domain in here. So after that, click the save. So system.io will now give you the two CNAME records you need to add to your domain provider. So which in this case is Namecheap. So now, so once you get that CNAME records, let's head over to the namecheap.com. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click the sign up button in order to create an account. But if you already have an account, you can click the sign in button. So now in here, log into your account and then click on the domain list. So click the domains and look for the domain. So on the left side bar, click the manage next to the domain you want to connect. And then in the domain dashboard, you can click the advanced DNS tab, scroll down to the host record sections, and now click the add new records and select the CNAME record. So to add the CNAME record, so listen carefully as I explain each step, since I'm unable to show you the exact steps in here, since I don't have a existing domain that I can use as an example. So now, system.io typically gives you two CNAMEs, so records to add. So the first one is the host at, and the second one is the host www. So for each record, set the TTL or time to live or live to automatic, and then make sure to delete any conflicting records like old A records pointing to other IPs, something like that. So click the green check icon to save each record, and then DNS updates usually take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours. So you can check your status by going back to system.io and refreshing the domain page. So once system.io verifies the CNA records, your domain will show as connected. And that's it. So your Namecheap domain is now successfully connected to system.io. So you can now assign this domain to your funnels, landing page, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.